Losing weight is never easy, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we'll show you the best ways to stay motivated on your weight loss journey, so you can reach your goals and feel your best. Motivation is key when it comes to weight loss. Without it, you may find yourself giving up on your goals or slipping back into old habits. But fear not, there are many ways to stay motivated and on track. First, let's talk about social media. While it can be a great tool for inspiration, it can also be a source of comparison and negativity. Instead of following accounts that make you feel bad about yourself, find accounts that inspire you and share your journey with a supportive community. Another great way to stay motivated is to meal prep. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can avoid unhealthy options and stay on track with your nutrition goals. Plus, it can save you time and money in the long run. Exercise is also essential for weight loss and overall health. Finding a workout routine that you enjoy and having someone to hold you accountable can make a huge difference in staying motivated. Whether it's a personal trainer, a workout buddy, or an online community, having support can help keep you on track. But it's not just about physical health. Mental health is also crucial when it comes to staying motivated. Taking time to meditate or practice mindfulness can help you stay focused and positive. Plus, it's a great way to reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Tracking your progress can also be a powerful motivator. Whether you use a journal, an app, or a spreadsheet, keeping track of your workouts, meals, and progress can help you see how far you've come and keep you motivated to keep going. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments. Whether it's hitting a weight loss goal or simply making it through a tough workout, taking the time to acknowledge your progress can keep you motivated and on track. Treat yourself to a massage, a new workout outfit, or a night out with friends. Whatever it is, make sure to celebrate your hard work. Remember, weight loss is not just about you. It's about your health, your happiness, and your loved ones. By making healthy choices, you can set a positive example for your family and friends and inspire them to make healthy changes too. And don't forget to have fun. Exercise doesn't have to be boring or painful. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, finding ways to move your body that you love can make all the difference. So there you have it, the best ways to stay motivated on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Keep these tips in mind. Stay consistent, and believe in yourself. You got this! Now, let's hear from some experts in the field to get their tips on how to stay motivated on your weight loss journey. One of my top tips for staying motivated is to focus on small, achievable goals. Rather than trying to lose a large amount of weight all at once, set smaller goals that you can work towards. This can help you see progress and feel motivated to keep going. It's also important to remember that weight loss is not a linear process. There will be ups and downs, but don't let a setback discourage you. Instead, focus on the progress you've made and keep pushing forward. Having a workout buddy or a personal trainer can also be a great way to stay motivated. They can provide accountability and support, and make working out more enjoyable. Plus, they can help you create a personalized workout plan that fits your goals and preferences. Finally, make sure to switch up your routine every once in a while. Doing the same workout every day can become monotonous and lead to burnout. Try new activities or workouts to keep things interesting and challenging. Remember that weight loss is not just about physical health, but mental health as well. Taking care of your mental health can help you stay motivated and make healthy choices. Consider practicing mindfulness, meditation, or therapy to help manage stress and improve your overall well-being. So there you have it. some expert tips to add to your toolbox. Use these tips in combination with the ones we mentioned earlier, and you'll be unstoppable on your weight loss journey. Before we wrap up, let's talk about one more thing: nutrition. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is essential for weight loss and overall health. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains in your meals. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Meal prepping can also be a great way to ensure that you're eating healthy, nutritious meals throughout the week. Plus, it can save you time and make healthy choices more convenient. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. There are plenty of delicious, healthy options out there that can satisfy your taste buds and fuel your body. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and stay motivated on your weight loss journey. You've got this.